Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the magical uses of bay leaves. In ancient times, bay leaves was used for protection and to make wishes come true. It's a powerful herb for manifesting your desires, for attracting prosperity into your life, and also for enhancing psychic abilities. Now, the biggest advantage of bay leaves are that they are very cost effective and they are easily available anywhere. I'm going to share with you a few powerful methods in which you can, make use of these bay leaves and attract abundance into your life. So, let's get started. Now, the most powerful and the most effective way of using bay leaves is by writing your wishes on the leaf. I prefer using fresh leaves, however, they were not available, so I'm just using the basic bay leaves. If fresh leaves are available, please do get them. So, what we are going to do is we are going to write our name on the leaf with a marker, our date of birth, and anything that you want to manifest. Okay, so let's say I want to manifest abundance into my life. So I'm simply going to write I hope this is available and this is how it looks like. Okay, so after you have written whatever you want to desire, okay, so let's say if you want to manifest money into your life, you can write you can draw symbols of the dollar sign, and after you are done, you can visualize, you can put your intentions into the leaf, and then the main work comes, that is to burn your leaf. Okay, so we are going to burn the bay leaf. Make sure the entire leaf burns down. The smoke has got a very calming effect, and the idea of burning bay leaves is, to release your wish to the universe. So you need to visualize, you need to put your intentions while the bay leaf burns, and have faith that your wish has been sent to the universe in form of smoke. Now I have the burnt bay leaf here with me, so you can either blow this into the air or you can bury this in the soil where there are green plants, and pray that your wish comes true and it gets manifested, and it really will at the right time, and have faith in it. Now, another important use of bay leaf is to get rid of anxiety attack. Now, if you are somebody who is prone to having panic or anxiety attacks, what you can do is you can simply burn one sage leaf on a bad day, and you can pray that as the leaf burns, your wish, your fears, your stress, your panic attacks get burnt as the leaf burns down. Okay, the smoke that comes out from burning the bay leaf has a very calming effect. It soothes your nerves down and it really helps you get rid of those anxiety attacks. Now, bay leaves also help you get rid of negativity. Okay, so if you want to cleanse your aura, if you want to just cleanse your room, your workplace of any negativity it has inhabited, you can simply burn bay leaves and get rid of any negativity or any evil energies in your living environment. Now, this is also a luck attractor leaf, so anybody who has joined a new workplace, you can simply keep one in your wallet and you're good to go. That's all guys. I hope you have loved and enjoyed my video about the magical uses of bay leaves. Do try the methods out. They are really effective, and if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel and comment below. Thank you.